everyone, welcome back to my channel Arman's Knowledge. I'm Arman here, and today we have the new topic about Windows 10, Windows 11 that has been included by somebody in Microsoft Team, of course only to Windows insiders for testing. Microsoft will release this publicly on 24 June to all public. So let's take a look on Windows 11. Here you can see the center icons in the taskbar now in the center, and before it was in the left in the Windows 10. It is same like Windows 10X. All the icons, taskbar icons, are on the center, and here is the start menu. You can see here all the start menu are changed with the rounded corners and a lot of new icons, change icons, and Microsoft will continue to update this version of Windows in the future. And we hope then a lot of stuff would come in the future to this Windows 11. Here is the more option. When you click on a lot of list of option appears here, you can see the more options, and the more pin you can also pin to the task start menu. Here are the options you can unpin from task menu, start menu. So here are the recommended apps. You can see here by Windows itself. You can see here the new apps, video editor or multiplayer. A lot of apps files are here in the recommended. When you open it here, so it use as recommended, and a lot of new options, new apps are here for more option in the recommended tab. So when you open the Windows update, here you can update your Windows 10 directly like in Windows 10. So we're all set to use our Windows 11 here as Windows 10X, and it's pretty much nice, beautiful looking. A lot of new changes are here, and when opening the file explorer, you can see here like same as the Windows 10 file explorer here. But one thing to note is that animation are also changed in this Windows 11. You can see it nice and pretty much beautiful animations when you drag up into the right, left, or down. So you can see here the new animations, dragging animations are here present in this Windows 11. When you right click on the caption button, so you can see that dragging options appears here, so you can direct drag to the left, right, up and down. And when you open another app, you can also here drag to left, right, wherever you want. You can do that. Here are the new options. You can see here the start and task view, and the center notification center has been changed. A bit of time has been also changed in this Windows 11. Microsoft will continue to update these all icons and notification time, etc. Here when you open the taskbar settings, the taskbar settings a lot included new settings that's like show widget button, show desktop button. So here are the new options as well. You can on or off it later, but here now the icons are in the center. If I want to left the icons, taskbar icons, so I can do it like in Windows 10 because all the icons were in left. So here is an option. You can see here left. When I click on left, so all the icons goes to left, and the start menu also go to left. And when I click back on center, all the icons go to the center, and start menu also goes to center. And the search menu next is a search menu that work very faster, and a bit of changes are here in this one. When I search for something, you can see here all the results are here. You can find everything you want to search when your Windows 10, so you can use the search menu, update the search menu in Windows 11. Here the task will also changed, not like in Windows 10. This is updated version of task view. You can the timeline has been gone in this Windows, and the next button is the widget button, like the same as in Windows 10 was that news and taskbar option. So this is the same here, but it has named the widget button. It will show you all the weather or news in your Windows 11, so it will directly show you all the things in Windows in widget button. The next thing to see here, all the themes are changed in this Windows 11, and it includes a lot of new things now. I have changed this to black theme or dark theme, you can call it. So I like personally the black theme. Here the right click menu is also changed, and also have a flute rounded corners. You can see the new options, all the icons or all the system has been changed to the dark theme. You can check it out. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon to see new updates. So guys, thank you, see you in the next one.